Russian President Vladimir Putin has threatened to strike decision-making centers in Kyiv with Moscow's new intermediate-range ballistic missile. The healthcare sector in India is projected to expand from $60 billion to $120 billion by 2030, according to a joint report by OPPI and BCG. Let's look at a few stocks that are likely to be in focus in today's trade, starting with Zomato. The food delivery giant closed its qualified institutional placement QIP issue and raised Rs 8,500 crore through the allocation of 33.64 crore equity shares at a price of Rs 252.62 per share, which is at a 5% discount to the floor price of Rs 265.91 per share. Then we have Newgen Software Technologies. The company has received a purchase order from the Reserve Bank of India for the implementation and maintenance of the BCG Regulatory Application Management System (RAMS). The value of the purchase order is Rs 32.44 crore. And at last we have James Warranty. After completing due diligence, the company has signed a business transfer agreement with Raja Ali Tea and Industries LLP for the sale of Raja Ali Tea Estate for Rs 19 crore. Technical view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. The Nifty 50 decisively broke the 3-day consolidation range of 24,100 to 24,350 on the downside and fell below the 24,000 mark, registering a 1.5% loss on the monthly F&O expiry session of November 28th. If the index extends its downtrend, the level to watch is 23,600 200-day EMA. But if it rebounds, resistance could be found in the 24,100 24,200 zone, according to experts. Key levels for the bank: Nifty 51,907. Resistance based on pivot points: 52,523, 52,754, and 53,127. Support based on pivot points: 51,777, 51,546, and 51,173.
If you are a trader following market calls and tips for day trading, use our tool RNT, Research and Trade. All you have to do is link RNT to your trading account, then just sit and relax. Turn trading into business at app.gwcindia.live. Check out description for more details.